Orient 2nd generation Bambino automatic men's watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Cream dial with blue hands and alternating Roman numeral and index hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant mineral crystal. Case size, 40.5 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.8 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 30 meters, 100 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Casual watch style, Japanese movement.